Hello my bunnies! Today we are making mini chocolate stuffed pancakes, or officially called Ebelskivers. So let's get started. So first we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together in a bowl. So I have the flour, some sugar, some baking powder, and salt. And I'm just gonna mix that together quickly. Now we're gonna set this bowl aside and we're going to work on our wet ingredients. So first we're adding 2 egg yolks into the bowl, and let's just whisk that together. I mean, it takes like 2 seconds. And then we're going to add the milk. And it's important that this milk is room temperature, and you'll see why in just 1 second. And if you forget to do that before you start cooking, like me, every single time, pop it into the microwave for like 45 seconds and it will get nice and warm. And now we are going to add some melted butter, and this is why we want the milk to be warm, because if it's cold, it's going to make the butter set and harden, and then like the texture is going to be all off. And now I'm going to add the flour mixture, and we're gonna mix until it is well combined, but some lumps are fine, so don't worry, you don't want to like over mix it. Look at me over mixing. Okay, stop. So now we're gonna take our egg whites from those 2 egg yolks that we added previously, and we're going to pop them into a clean bowl. So you don't want to use the bowl that you use for the flour, or if you do, you want to make sure that you wash it, because if there's any kind of grease or anything in there, the egg whites won't whip up, which is what we are going to do in the next step. So we are going to get an electric mixer unless you really want a good workout on your arms. I do not. So we're gonna beat them until stiff peaks form. Oh my god, it's not plugged in. So now we are going to take our egg whites and add 1/3 of them into our batter and gently fold to combine. And the way you fold batter in is you kind of slide around the middle and then kind of push it. No, you slide it around the edge, and then you do like 1 line in the middle and then around and 1 line, and that maintains the airiness in the batter. Because we did all that work whipping the egg whites, we don't want to undo it. Now we are going to add the remaining egg whites and gently fold it in. And there we go, our batter is ready to go, and we're ready for our pancakes. So obviously you will need an Ebelskiver pan, I'll link one below, and you can spray it with cooking spray, or you can drizzle some olive oil on top and then fold up a paper towel and use that to kind of evenly distribute the oil. So now once the pan has warmed up, I'm gonna spoon about 2 tablespoons of batter into each well. As soon as the batter is added, we are going to add a square of chocolate. This can be any kind of chocolate that you like. And then put some more of that batter on top, and that's gonna seal the pancakes closed. This is important. And if you're thinking what else you can add into the middle of these pancakes, you guys know what video I'm gonna suggest. It is the Nutella version, which was the first one I ever did. So I will link that in the cards so you guys can watch it after this and get your Nutella on. And then once the surface starts to bubble, you are going to flip the pancakes over using 2 skewers so that the cook side is facing up. And we're just gonna keep cooking until the bottom turns golden brown, just like this. Okay, it's time to eat them. I am so excited. Okay, I already had one. Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. Let's go. Okay, you can see the chocolate on the inside. Perfectly cooked, and these are arguably easier than actual pancakes. I don't know why, but they are. Anyways, I love you guys so much for watching, and I will see you on Saturday for a new video.